Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about two-step outgoing shipment. A two-step outgoing shipment process involves breaking down the delivery process into two distinct stages. And this approach offers several benefits including enhanced inventory control, improved order accuracy, and streamlined operations. So let's see how can we manage this two-step outgoing shipment in Odoo 18 inventory. You can just dive into the inventory module. From there, move on to the configuration. And under the warehouse management, choose warehouses. And I'm going to choose the default warehouse that is your company. And here under the outgoing shipment, we have just chosen it as pick, then deliver, which is the two step. So once you have said this, the next step is that let's move on to the sales module. So in the sales module, we can just create a new order where you can fill out the details of the customer. I would like to choose a customer as Joel Wills, and let's choose a product by add a product. I'm going to choose a product as laptop. And once it's added, the next step is to confirm the order. So you can just save this quotation and click on confirm. So as you just confirm this quotation here, you can see that the quotation has moved from its quotation state to the sales order. The next step was to deliver the item in two steps. So here you can see the delivery smart tab. And here you can see the operation that undergo will be pick and the source location will be WH stock, that is warehouse stock, and the destination location is warehouse output. In this case, I'm not validating it from here. Now let's move on to the inventory module. From the inventory overview, we can easily manage this. So as I just move on to the inventory module, here you can see that first we just need to pick the item. So under this, we can find the operation. So that is the one, transport to process. So let me choose that. Afterwards, here we just need to cross check the order details of the including the items, the quantities, the shipping address, and any other special instructions. So in this case, we will be selecting. The picking the item. So this retrieves the item from the storage locations, ensuring the accurate quantity and condition. So let me click on validate so that the item, you can see we have currently picked it from the source location and moved into the warehouse output. Now again, let's move on to the inventory overview and we just need to deliver the item. So under the delivery, you can see that there is one transfer to process and you can choose that. So under this, you can see we can just deliver the item to the customer. So I'm going to choose this, and here you can choose a carrier or any shipping methods and all. So as we are just dealing with from the inventory overview, we just do not need to deal with that. If you want to just add the carrier choice and shipping methods, you can just manage this delivery operation from the sales module. Okay, and now let me click on validate button so that the item will be delivering to the customer side from the source location, that is the warehouse output, to the customer side, that is Joy Wills. So here you can see we have successfully implemented the two steps outgoing shipment. So by implementing a well-defined two-step outgoing shipment process, business can significantly improve their order fulfillment operations and provide a better customer experiences. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.